How to use fallback text in Instantly.ai. Using fallback text in Instantly.ai is a simple but powerful way to make sure your emails stay professional and readable, even if a custom variable is missing. For example, if you're personalizing with first name but the field is empty for some leads, your email could look broken like hi instead of proper greetings. To avoid this, you can set a fallback inside your variable such as first name, there, and close bracket. So, if no first name is available, instantly that AI will automatically insert there, turning your greetings into hi there. You can do this with any variable, whether it's company name, job title, or custom intro lines, ensuring your emails always make sense and never look awkward. By using fallback text, you maintain a smooth, natural tone in your outreach, improve engagement, and prevent embarrassing mistakes that can hurt replies rate. It's small tweak, but it makes Instantly that AI campaign much more reliable and professional. So that's it.